I am KARADAŞ. Today I would like to talk about the project of the dynamics course that I did with my friends. First of all, our aim in our project is to determine the total force generation in the arms and feet cyclists who first acceleration and then slow down during this process, and to create a graph of this. While making this calculation, we did make both the effects of air resistance in the calculating sign. It was quite low. We used the tracker application to find the relevant values in the equations. We also used Excel to find the desired values and draw graphs. Thank you.
We can solve this problem using full body and kinetic diagrams. Since the man and the bicycle are moving together, their accelerations are equal. The direction of the reaction force on the wrist depends on the direction of acceleration. Therefore, we will use two different full body and kinetic diagrams. In the first equation, we will find the value of reaction force on the wrist. In the second equation, we will use the reaction force on the wrist to determine reaction force on the man's foot.
Hi, I'm AHAMADA CİSSE, and I will explain the part of how we get the graph and values below. As we can notice in the video, our friend is cycling in a straight line. Our plane X and Y is in a purple color line, and the reference line on the wheel with a radius of 0.640 meter in a blue color line. In the table below, we found the values of change in position with respect to time. Then that values were plugged into Excel to find out the values and graph of velocity and forces with respect to time.
Hi, I am Uğurlu. First, I created a position time graph using the values obtained from the application. Then I used this graph to derive the velocity time graph. Since it was difficult to find the acceleration in this velocity time graph, I divided the graph into two parts, one for acceleration and one for deceleration. By taking the derivatives of these graphs with respect to time, I found the acceleration values. Using the acceleration values I created graphs that show the total force on the wheels and pedals.